The question was, what's the biggest change in presentations over the past 20 years? I've been speaking, training, and coaching on presentation skills for more than 20 years. And when people ask that question, they often expect the answer to be something to do with technology. There's no question that technology has changed greatly. However, technology is simply a tool. What has changed that is most relevant to you as a presenter is the attention span of your audience. We all have shorter attention spans today, and it's not just the millennials, it's everyone, it's old guys like me. Our attention span is much shorter than it used to be. Just test yourself. Go look up instructions or video on YouTube. And I bet if you're like me and you want a quick fix, you find an 8-minute video, you're probably not going to watch it. 5 minutes, still kind of long. 3 minutes, now we're getting in the territory. And then you find a 90-second video. That's the one you want. 90 seconds, yeah, save the world in 90 seconds. Our attention spans are much shorter today.